The Truth Lover Parrot Story. Once a parrot flew in all the jungle and spoke in a very sweet voice. One day, when the parrot was busy in eating cherries on a tree, a grocer saw the beautiful parrot and caught him and took him in a cage that hung outside his shop. One day, the parrot saw grocer mixing the sand in his sugar. When a woman entered the shop to buy sugar, the parrot cried loudly, "Sand in the sugar! Sand in the sugar!" Hearing this, the woman left the shop at once. "I will wring your neck if you don't keep quiet," threatened the grocer. But the next day, when a customer came to buy cocoa, the parrot shouted, "The cocoa contains brake dust!" The grocer advanced to catch the parrot, but it begged, "Spare me for the last time. I promise never to open my mouth again." But when a woman came to buy butter, the parrot shouted, "There's lard in the butter." The grocer threw the parrot into the ash pit, but the parrot survived and flew away in search of a land where truth prevailed. Thank you and have a nice day.